Hey, what's up guys? Victor from the Victor Tellez group here. Got a simple recipe for you guys. Today we're gonna make sopes. Alright, so we're gonna start mixing our 2 cups of corn flour with 1 cup of all-purpose flour mixed with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of corn oil. We're gonna go ahead and mix everything with 1.5 cups of water. Go ahead and mix, and you should get about 15 tortillas. All right, so now we got our tortilla press. We're gonna go ahead and start putting 1 ball at a time. Using the tortilla press, if you find that your outside edges are breaking or are too thin, you are pressing too hard. So just ease up on that. So next step is you're gonna get a skillet and you're gonna put about 1 cap of corn oil. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna toast these tortillas. And we'll put them not too long. I don't want anything too burnt because what I like to do is I like to give them a second pass. I'm gonna go ahead and pinch the edges while they're still soft to get this tortilla cup look. Onto our beans, we're gonna add 1 cup of water to 16 ounces of pinto beans. You can either use canned or baked beans. In this case, I'm using canned. After it's blended, we're gonna go ahead and add to a pan for about 5 minutes until it's boiling, and then just take it off the heat. As a bonus, I'm also gonna make a red salsa to go with these sopes. So I got the ingredients on screen. Just go ahead and pause the video for that. But same thing, you're gonna bring these ingredients to a boil, you're gonna strain them, and then throw them in a blender. You should get this nice red salsa. All right, now time to prep the sopes. I like to start with the lip down. The heat is about at a 3 or 4. We're gonna add the ingredients. So adding the beans. Now we're gonna add lettuce, queso fresco, or Fresco cheese. So now add whatever ingredients you want. In my case, I just do lettuce and Fresco cheese. And can't forget our salsa. So there you have it.